Searching for a summer journey that kindles your child's creativity and passion for art? Young Fan Summer Art Camp is the perfect destination. A place where imagination knows no bounds and artistic expression flourishes. Join us for an enriching journey dedicated to exploring the vast world of art. Our art camp offers a diverse range of creative mediums, from the traditional strokes of a paintbrush to the innovative techniques of sculpture. Under the expert guidance of our passionate counselors, watch as campers delve deep into their imaginations, pushing the boundaries of their creativity with every stroke and sculpt. But it's more than just creating art. It's about fostering a profound appreciation for self-expression and empowering each camper to unlock their unique creative potential. From collaborative group projects to individual masterpieces, every camper contributes their flair to a vibrant tapestry of creativity that adorns our camp. Beyond the studio walls, campers immerse themselves in art-inspired outdoor activities, where nature becomes their canvas and inspiration is drawn from the world around them. Discover the pure joy of artistic expression, forge lifelong friendships, and create cherished memories that will last a lifetime at Young Fan Summer Art Camp. Enroll your budding artist today. Visit our website or call us now to learn more about our programs and to schedule a tour.